Hey guys, Grace Reutzel here with Realty, and I'm excited that you're joining me today because I am here at my newest listing in Hideaway. Now, this precious little house has been updated and well maintained over the years, and the best part, it's priced under $300,000, which is rare when we're talking about waterfront property, especially in this condition. Generally, when you find something in the 200s, it's gonna need work. But trust me, this house is turnkey, nothing needs to be done. You just need to bring your boat, bring your fishing poles, and start enjoying it. So let me take you on a tour and show you around. Okay guys, so that wraps up our tour for 115 4 Masters here in the Hideaway community. If you have any questions, definitely reach out and let me know. This is what I specialize in, is coastal property, and I would love nothing more than to help you explore your options when it comes to buying and selling property here on the water. My name's Grace Reutzel with Realty Group, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Alright, thanks guys!